Hello, I'm Andrew Portalease, and this is Project 3 Behavior Trees for class CS-611 for Professor Essen. In this project, we are tasked with creating a behavior tree that can be used to control the Mario agent in this 2D Mario-like game. The behavior agent I created follows a lot of the standard actions and tasks. I created a task interface that has a simple run method. I created a object that we can pass in a simplified version of the state instead of passing in the whole environment object. And then I can also pass in the list of actions that are going to be performed that will be modified depending on what the behavior tree decides. I created a series of tasks, one for sequence selector and also one to as an invert decorator. I have a root task object just to kick everything off. And then I created a series of conditions and actions to go with it. Each of these actions represents one of the keys that can be pressed to control the Mario character. So this includes, running faster, jump action, moving backwards and moving forwards. And then I created a series of conditions. Some are based off of the simplified state that was added as part of the environment checks. Checking whether we can move forward, checking if a breakable brick is nearby, checking if an enemy is about to collide with the player, seeing if an enemy is nearby or in a farther range out, and then some of these other actions or conditions are the ones that check the simplified state of the environment, like if Mario is able to jump, if Mario is able to shoot, and if Mario is on the ground. Using these series of conditions and actions and tasks, I then used JAXB to create the behavior tree using XML. If we look at the root task, we can see there's a mapping for all of the XML objects and the classes that they associate with. If we look at the behavior tree itself, I have a root node with a selector that will select from a series of different tasks here, and then I have a bunch of different sequences to try to handle various different aspects of the game. So this first one here is if there's a breakable brick near Mario, he tries to jump off the ground to break it with his head. Similar action, if danger is near Mario, he can try to jump to avoid it. This next sequence here is an attempt to try to make Mario jump higher and further. In the Mario games, if you hold down the jump button, Mario will jump higher. So this is why we are either checking to see if Mario is able to jump and can't move forward, then we jump, or if Mario is not on the ground, meaning he's already jumping, then we should continue jumping so that he can do a high jump. Along with that, we're adding moving forward and speed. The other sequences here that are part of the main selector is the one if Mario's in danger, meaning he's about to hit an enemy which is very close to him. We have him actually backing up to try to avoid hitting it and using speed so it happens quickly. And then these two sequences down here at the bottom are if there is danger further ahead, we decide, or if there isn't danger directly in front of Mario, but potentially further out, then we can move forward with speed. And then if there isn't danger in a closer range, then we should just be moving forward. That way Mario isn't moving too quickly when he's getting close to an enemy, so that he has the ability to jump